Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your week 13 screencast video. A lot's going to happen in this video. I'm hoping everybody pays attention for this week's activity. This is week 13. It is drafting week. The first drafts of the research essay are due this week. Also, peer review will be happening. Now, this is a two-part process. The first part will be you uploading the document, of your first draft to the assignment. The next step would be to head over to the discussion board, the peer review discussion board, and complete the peer report and upload the first draft copy to that discussion board so that everyone can take a look at your first draft. And that's where peer review is going to happen, in that discussion board. So let's get to the modules here. Just to review, I want to emphasize to everybody, okay, I went through the research essay instructions here. You have an instructional video for the main assignment and an example right here. Also, let me get to the first draft. Okay, instructions. Now I am looking for a reasonable first draft, okay? It is at least about 2,000 words, looking for 6 sources. Since you had 6 sources in your annotated, here are all the criteria for the first draft. I do not allow revisions for any better grade on the first draft. What will happen when you upload the first draft to the assignment, the upload, I will review it. I will offer feedback on it, suggestions for you to, let me get to that assignment here. Sorry, kind of clicking around a little bit. Okay, so what I'm doing is you're going to upload to the first draft, and I'm going to grade it based upon that criteria. Okay, and offer feedback and suggestions on how to go about improving that for the final draft, which the final draft, I believe, is worth 25 or even 30% of your overall course grade. So I just want to make sure everybody is aware that the assignment portion is my area to review, right? First draft instructions. Let's see. Take a look at this. Yes. All right, here it is. The first draft upload right here. Then the important portion, the second part of this, is to get over to the peer review discussion board. Now you have to read through these instructions. They're pretty elaborate about the peer report and the peer review. So I want to make sure that everybody is aware. You're going to complete your peer report, and I ask you for you to write a report about what it was like pulling together your research essay draft. Also, then, I want you then to help out your peer reviewers and come up with 3 issues in your draft that you feel need your attention. Stay away from grammar. There's always the last particular item to be not really to be proofed before the submission, but I want you to use this template right here. Complete the following template for your peer review report. Okay, so what you have is I'm looking for you to add your topic here with these 3 issues and provide suggestions on how you can improve my draft, and actually in many ways locate some portions of the draft to help each other out. So you have 2 options here. Option number 1 is for you to write a report meeting the criteria here, all right, for your peer review. The other option that you must hit is to use your AI program. So here is option 2. Copy and paste this particular prompt right here, completed out by the particular writer, and add that to AI along with a copy of the first draft, and see what AI would give you in the way of improvements for that particular draft. I've been using this all semester long with my Com 101 students, and they've been doing a pretty good job on that. So what I'm looking for is for you to use option 1 and option 2. Later in the week, I will spend a bit more time on this in the lecture video, and I will let everybody know exactly what I'm looking for in that, and probably even demonstrate something from my Com 101 courses. All right. So just to give you an idea of the peer review report is all happening here in this particular discussion board. While everybody's working on this, I will work my way through the first drafts. Always wait for those particular feedback and comments to come your way. And we've got some time to do that before we move into the final draft. Will be due after the holiday, I believe. All right. If you have any questions or issues, the first thing I'm asking everybody to do is to please read through the instructions, right? And if you have any questions, send me an email. All right. Good luck.